He's one of the most promising actors of today, a former athlete, and one of the most desirable men in today's Philippine showbiz. Sumikat si JC ng matanghad bilang sole survivor mula sa Pinoy version ng hit reality TV series na Survivor. Mula noon, naging busy ng aktor mula sa iba't ibang shows ng GMA7. Kabilang na riyan ang panghapong drama na Sisig, kung saan katambal niya rito ang Starstruck winner na si Jackie Rice.
My projects, still GMA. Actually, kakatapos lang nung show namin ni Steph na X-Life. So, ngayon naman, I'm gonna do soap for GMA. Tentative title is Sisid. So, more on underwater. Sabi ni Direk, medyo sexy. Pero syempre, limited kasi afternoon soap siya. Sa Sisid, kasama ko si Jackie Rice, Dominic Rocco, Ian Batterson, Rich Asuncion, Ina Asisio, tsaka marami pa iba.
Bukod sa acting, ay nasubukan na rin mag-host ni JC sa pamamagitan ng programang X-Life at Full-Time Moms. Saan kaya siya mas na-challenge? Sa hosting or acting?
Ngayon kasi feeling ko mas challenging for me yung acting kasi mas madalas kong magawa yung hosting. Tapos yung X-Life kasi is hosting show for me. So, mas madalas kong gawin yon. Tapos dire-diretso as in almost a year kong ginagawa. So, medyo sanay na ako. Parang naglalaro ka na lang. Yung acting kasi, every time na matitigil ka sa isang soap, after ng isang soap, tapos pahinga ka ng ilang months, parang babalik ka na naman sa umpisa. So, kailangan workshop ka lagi. Like, pag wala kang soap, kailangan nag-workshop ka pa rin para hindi ka parang kinakalawang dun sa yun. Tapos syempre mahirap din na yung emotions mo ilalabas mo eh. Unlike hosting na you have to interview people, di ba? Like what you're doing.
Isiniwalat rin sa amin ni Jason na enjoy siyang kasama ang kanyang mga X-Life co-host na si Stephen Ares at Gino de la Peña. Pero marami pang mga celebrities ang gusto niyang makatrabaho at depende raw ito sa proyekto.
Sa hosting kasi, I mean, sobrang happy ako sa kaming tatlo ni Steph and Gino for X-Life. So, well, I've worked with the unang Hirit cast. Yan. Happy naman din kasi sobrang saya nung atmosphere. Actually, it depends on how you get along with the people we're working with. Sa soap, depende naman kasi kung sinong ikakasama ka sa cast, kung sinong makasama sa cast. So, depends.
At alam niyo ba na may lahing Ilocano pala itong si JC? Sa katunayan, ang mom niya ay taga-Abra.
Actually, I think every year naman pupunta ako dito kasi my mom is from Bangged, Abra. So, every time na nandun kami, we make it a point to pumunta dito, pasyal, or gonna buy some stuff.
Ngunit hindi raw siya marunong magsalita ng dialekto natin.
Konti lang eh, tsaka mas nakakaintindi ako kaysa sa magsasalita ako. Parang pag ako yung magsasalita, hindi ko mabuo. Pero pag kinakausap ako ng mami ko ng Ilocano, lahat alam ko.
Kinamusta rin namin ang pamamasyal niya sa ating lugar.
Memorable places. Actually, madalas naman sa, yung Kalye Crisologo, Baluarte, yung Hidden Garden, ano pa ba? Ayun, yun yung mga madalas na puntahan.
Sa pamamasyal niya rito, nasabi rin ni JC ang kanyang paboritong Ilocano delicacy.
Actually, favorite ko yung Turones de Mane. Yun, ngayon ko lang na-discover yung Leilas at saka yung Los Mahitos. So, yun. Galing kasi yung Los Mahitos, di ba, pag gabi, ang ganda pala niya doon. Tapos street dining. Kanina kasing, nung afternoon nandun kami, parang wala masyadong tao, di ba? Pero nung gabi na pumunta kami, ang ganda. Tapos yung lights, ang galing.
At syempre pa, hindi rin pwedeng kaligtaang tanungin ang kanyang buhay pag-ibig.
Love life. 0. Tagal lang 0. Mga 1 year, more than a year ng 0.
Bago magtapos ang ating interview, narito ang kanyang mensahe sa kanyang matagahanga.
Ilocano fans, hi po mga kapuso. Sana po supportahan nyo yung upcoming projects namin. Like yung Sisid, yan. Panoorin nyo po yan. Thank you. Hi, this is JC Chiseco and you're watching Core TV.
We need to talk.
Oh, crud.
You remember nothing. You remember nothing.
I totally think this is working.
I mean, this is unbelievable. There's no city like this in the world.
You're in love with a fantasy.
I'm in love with you.
What are you doing here? Dad's here on business, and we just decided to freeload along. Oh.
That's great. We can spend some time together.
I think we have a lot of commitments, but I'm sure it's... Well,
What?
If I'm not mistaken, Rodin's work was influenced by his wife, Camille.
Rose was the one.
No, he was never married to Rose.
I hope you're not going to be as antisocial tomorrow.
I'm not quite as taken with him as you are. He's a pseudo-intellectual.
Slightly more tannic than the 59. I prefer a smoky feeling. Carol and I are going to go dancing. We heard of a great place. Interested?
No. I don't want to be a killjoy, but I need to get a little fresh air.
What time did you get in last night?
Not that late. Yeah, I'll probably end up going on another little hike tonight.
Where'd Gil run off to?
Been walking around Paris.
Where do you think Gil goes every night?
He walks and gets ideas.
Why are you so dressed up?
I was just doing a little writing.
You dress up and put on cologne to write?
Because you know how I think better in the shower and I get the positive ions going in there?
I had a private detective follow him.
And what happened?
I don't know. The detective agency says the detective is missing.
I'm in a very perplexing situation.
I vowed to live within the warmth of your heart.
I promise to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love.
Security. I now pronounce you man and wife. Kiss, run!
Life's all about moments of impact.
You want to go see a movie?
No.
Move in. Yes.
And how they change our lives forever. What if one day you could no longer remember any of them?
Kate, you're in the hospital. You were in a car accident.
Any pain?
My head hurts.
I'll get you something for that.
Was anyone else hurt, Doctor?
Hey, you know who I am, right?
Yeah?
Okay, good.
You're my doctor.
She doesn't remember me.
Her memory is going to improve with time.
Come home with me. We'll figure this out together.
I don't know you. I barely even know who I am.
I need to make my wife fall in love with me again. I'll always love you. The fact is that you're just meeting me, and I'm just a stranger.
I hope one day I can love the way that you love me.
How do you look at the girl you love and tell yourself it's time to walk away? I vow to love you, and no matter what challenges might carry us apart, we will always find a way back to each other.
You and I got a lot in common.
Really? You're sitting there tied to a chair, and I'm standing here with a gun in my hand.
War isn't over till both sides say it is.
I knew I'd find it.
Did you hear this number?
You have no idea who you're messing with. He's like a father to you, right? You don't do this as a dead man.
Listen, Danny's gonna come back for me. And when he does, you're out of here. He's your worst nightmare.
All we gotta do is wait for him to come to us. This guy is good.
You have no idea.
What are you doing?
Let me get my watch back.
Should have stayed away.
The gloves are off. This ends today.
I was thinking that maybe you'd want to be my date to my sister's wedding.
Are your parents gonna be there?
At my sister's wedding? I think so.
It just feels a little serious.
That's me. Before you judge me, you have to realize my dating life hasn't exactly been stellar.
I locked myself out of my apartment. Do you mind if I use your phone?
When every guy you run into seems to be on the run, do you think the woman coming out of your apartment could have helped you with a being locked out problem?
I look at it as trying to avoid hurt feelings.
It's time to face the facts. How many relationships do I have to have before I meet the right guy?
In America, 96% of women who have been with 20 or more lovers can't find a husband.
20?
That seems very high.
No, it's low. I am not going to sleep with one more guy until I am sure he's the one.
That's disgusting, Donald. I dated him.
Donald, it is you.
This is my fiance. She's a rocket scientist.
I'm marrying a scientist too. He doesn't look smart either. Is it possible that all my exes got better with time? You help me track down my exes, I'll help you escape yours.
You got a deal. What about Jerry Perry? He's a puppeteer, so he's single.
You should give me your number. We should catch up.
Hey, babe. Hey, you're looking good.
You know what? I think I'm all caught up.
Oh, guys.
What about Simon Forrester? Ali, it's brilliant to see you.
Simon, I can't believe it. This is Colin, but he has to go now.
No, I don't. What happened?
My British accent was rusty and I went full Borat. So, we go dancing? Huh?
How about some dinner tonight?
Are you tracking down all your ex-boyfriends so you don't go over 20?
I'll stop as soon as I fall in love.
Wow. I wouldn't have known I was gay if I hadn't dated you.
Oh. Yeah. I feel like everyone else is moving on with their lives but me.
How do you know what you want? You don't know who you are.
I have to go to my sister's wedding alone.
I'll go with you.
You would do that?
Yeah.
Sometimes you can't live life by the numbers. You have to figure it out as you go along. I know that I'm not perfect. And I want to be with somebody who appreciates me. Barrett? It's Allie.
Oh, doesn't ring a bell.
We dated for like 3 months.
Oh, let's see how things are going now. Oh, Allie! Of course.
What's your number?
I see that it's been quite a while since your first consultation. What made you decide to take the leap today?
A lot is going on in my life. I don't want to miss anything.
When we're done, you'll have perfect vision. Do you know what? My assistant's giving me an incomplete file. I'll be right back.
Hold on, you're leaving? Is that supposed to be happening?
You're not supposed to be here. You were supposed to die on that bridge. The lucky few survive the disaster. And then one by one, death comes for them all.
Are you saying that we can't stop this?
There's an answer for everything.
It's kill or be killed. Nobody's safe.